Hello, and welcome to week 5 of MEC 280. This week we're going to study indoor pollution, which mostly comes about from being inside a building and being exposed to pollutants like mold and dust and bacteria, and in particular to radon gas if you happen to live in an area where that's a problem. So we introduced the term indoor air quality in this first article from the EPA. And then there are some articles that identify some of the problems there are and how you can improve your building structure for air quality. There are a lot of people getting asthma in this country, tens of millions at this point, including my own daughter. And when you live with people who have asthma, what you are advised to is to make sure they stay away from pollutants like dust and mold and allergens. And you really have to do a lot of work in the air ducts in your own home to make sure they're cleaned out and not containing these types of pollutants that can cause asthma in your kids. We also have an article about mold and health, which just gives you a brief understanding of how mold spores can lead to lung problems and other health problems. Radon gas was discovered probably about 50 years ago as a result of, or as a cause of lung cancer, when it was found that uranium miners who were exposed to radium gas in their normal day-to-day affairs had elevated levels of lung cancer. These days, people who buy a home are advised to test the home to determine the risk of radon gas exposure before they even buy it. So these two articles here will tell you all about that and how you can make sure you're not exposed to radon gas and give yourself an extra cause, possibly, God forbid, of getting lung cancer. So enjoy this week. This is the second last week of the semester. We got one more week to go. Do take your quiz on Wednesday to Friday of this week. Next week we'll have a quiz and then the final exam. See you next week.